teeth came out.
What?
For some reason, it's different than the Indian one.
Of course. This is the OG.
Hi guys!
Welcome to Khushi.
And Ina.
And today we are doing
Indians trying American candy.
My mom went to the US and they brought back a lot of candies for us to try. So we are going to try them one by one and give you a taste test of what we think about them. Yes?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Let's try this resin.
Resin, something? Raisin. Clear. It's like
Oh,
a dark
yeah?
chocolate. Yeah, I've tried.
Guys, look at the design. It's so. Oh, it's so high. Oh.
2,000 years later.
Okay. Since I've never tried this, it tastes so good. No, seriously.
Yeah, and I love dark chocolate, so I will give it like 8 on 10.
I give it 9.7.
Okay, and now trying something that we have all eaten, and this is one of my favorite, but we'll try it on camera. This is the
Reese's. It's a Reese's cup. If
peanut butter.
You guys should know what that is.
Let's open. I love peanut butter cups.
Stop. It tastes like Snickers combined.
When the peanut butter hits you.
For some reason, it's different than the Indian one.
Of course.
It's like that
This is the OG.
caramel salted, salted caramel taste. It's mixed with Snickers. That's how it tastes.
And you will rate it?
10 out of 10.
10
No
out of
words.
10.
No words.
Same. I also love this.
I love it. Maum stripes. Orange flavored. There are different flavors, but since I love orange, I'm going to try orange first.
And these are the sour patches. So I'm trying the strawberry or the cherry one, the pink one.
Okay, I've opened mine. It looks like a big chunk of gum.
Ah,
I got my teeth. You guys, my teeth came out.
what? Sure.
So about that, my teeth didn't actually fall out. It just started bleeding. So I'm just gonna try to eat from this side. Don't mind that at all. Try this. So let's do it. How's yours?
Very nice, not too sour. I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
It tastes like that one chewing gum. There's that one.
Yeah,
chewing
even I can't remember which one.
gum. It just. I do not like this at all. 1 out of 10. I do not like it. Oh man, there's a hair. I'm not eating this.
So there are very many sour patches. So there are some for the strawberry, and then there is one for orange.
Which I tried just now.
Then this is raspberry.
Can I?
Yeah, you can try raspberry. I tried the cherry one.
See. Oh,
Yeah.
the cherry.
Cherry was okay. And then there is mango,
That's a peach.
a peach. So there are a lot of them. This is Coca-Cola.
What's that Coca-Cola one? I'm gonna try this one. Coca-Cola, which we were going to share. It has this kind of Coca-Cola design. If you guys can see the spots. It tastes like Coca-Cola fizz.
Like literal Coca-Cola.
Infinite. This is so good. Incredible.
Very nice.
If this I don't know, I would gulp it down.
A lot of sugar that we're having. All for you. So subscribe now. Next up is Chupa Chups, and we've been dying to try them. They are very famous in the US.
I tried one, and I liked mine.
Yeah, so they come in a strawberry and cream, and sour strawberry. So which one you want to pick?
Pop is going to be from her.
Just
because
me? Okay.
Kind of my teeth hurts.
But you can try.
Maybe I'll review it in a short.
Going for the sour one since I love khatta.
And I had eaten this one. I had
Yeah, so mine is sour strawberry flavor.
Right now, I really can't eat it because my teeth.
Our candy was amazing, the lolly, and it had a lot of sour taste. So I'll
I
give
tried
it,
one lick. I tried one lick, and it was not bad actually.
yeah. If you love sour, you should try this one. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And now,
Here's the extra. It looks like this. You should try it.
so now finally we have saved a big box of.
Jelly beans. My personal favorite. It comes with 36 flavors, and we're so excited to try it. Some flavors that you could get or we could get actually.
Right. So if you don't know, I'll just quickly give you a context. So the Jelly Bean Factory is like a government of jelly beans, and they are, as she said, they are in 36 flavors, and you don't know which one you are getting, right? So
They have like a circle-ish wheel with all of the flavors.
yeah, so we're gonna try, and then we'll see which flavor that we like. Of course, we'll not try all the 36 today.
But we'll have some. We'll have some.
We'll have some for your sake, and then we'll tell you which one that we like the most. Yeah, what we are going to do is we are going to eat a jelly bean that we got.
And we're gonna tell the flavor.
Yeah, and we're gonna tell the flavor down, and then we'll rate it down so that it's quicker. This is mine.
And this is mine.
Let's see what we get. Do they say which ones we got?
No. I got this blue-looking jelly thing, and now I'm gonna check the flavor. I got blueberry.
I have this orange one.
Yum. Not too bad. It's like chewy and yummy.
This is peach.
Okay. I got bubblegum. This is bubblegum.
This must be strawberry.
Let's check. Check it. I'm eating bubblegum. This tastes like boomer and something else combined. This one, it has some red spots on it. I think I got cherry blossom soda, which has a star on it. I don't know what a star means, but I'm excited. Oh yeah, this is definitely cherry. What is it?
French vanilla. Have much taste. It's very.
Which one I got? It's cola.
Lemon and lime. Exactly, it tastes like limca.
Cute little jelly bean. I wonder what flavor it is. It's a repeat of bubblegum. Just one. Tropical punch.
Butterscotch.
Mine is a tropical punch. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay, this white one. I think mine's coconut. Let's try.
Pina colada.
Coconut. I guess you're right. Yum. Want to try? So
I
far,
think it's English blackberry.
no bad ones.
Mm.
I got my favorite, cola again.
Blackberry is good.
Do you have any bad ones?
No, how do we know if it's bad?
Tasty. Good or bad? Bad?
It's too much of sugar and like a very weird taste.
I got this one. And I have no idea which one this is. I think it's wild cherry. Let's try. Oh, I guess you're right. It tastes exactly like the cherry. You could have gotten coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut is so good.
This is weird.
You must have gotten
Tropical.
tropical
Punch or
punch
something.
was good. Only. Okay, I don't know what I got. And that was the end of our trying American candy haul.
I hope you liked it, and if you did, then do not forget to.
Like, subscribe, and of course, leave a comment on how much you love this video.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.